this. And now what we are going to do is we are going to make grape juice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby. Guys, good morning. And we have just collected a basket of grapes. This. And now what we are going to do is we are going to make grape juice, guys. Yes, because we have so many and I don't know how to make wine yet, or liquor, something like that. So for the meantime I will practice. Yes, guys. And yeah, we are going to make grapes juice first. That is the first thing that we are going to do. Okay guys, so what we are going to do is to clean all the grapes first. Haley came and helped me pluck the grapes. From juice. Para guardar.
It's so full.
Not yet.
But it's full.
Yeah, almost full. So guys, we have two pots, one here and one in here. Yes, so yun na guys, that's our one basket of grapes. Hello guys, so here is my juicer. So we're going to use this juicer, guys, and my grapes are ready, the other one too. Okay, so let's see. Fell, guys, wait. I'm not using the right accessory, guys, of my juicer. That is why, as you all can see, that it overflows. I used a tall pot, guys, because it has a wider mouth and much better than the one that I used a while ago. Hello guys, so this is our juice. Parang ano siya guys, may foam siya, but that's okay. So can you please try your juices? Your juice? Lakota.
3, 2, 1. You have to try it.
Yes, I tried already. Careful, Anna, careful. Put it on the table. Yeah, so good, right? So good.
Wow, que bom!
Really, so good. Yeah.
It's so good.
Because it's pure juice. Mmm. Mmm.
Que bom!
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and turn on also guys the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye!